Okay, good morning children. So I'm back. I'm your maestro. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. So na-miss ko kayo children. So what we're going to do now children. So I just want to continue to teach you the concept of fraction. So this time, I just want to teach you how to convert improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. Mixed number to improper fraction. So what we are going to do. Or are you ready? So let's move it. Okay, this time children, I just want to teach you how to convert improper fraction to mixed number or vice versa. Okay children, to convert improper fraction to mixed number, so you need to follow the CMA steps. So what is CMA step? So C stands for copy the denominator. M stands for multiply the denominator in a whole number. Then A stands for add the numerator to complete the set of converting improper fraction to mixed number. Okay children, so we have here the example of improper fraction 9/4 or 9/4. How to convert that into mixed number. So again, to follow the CMA steps. So first you need to copy the denominator. So the denominator is 4, you can copy. Next, multiply the denominator and a whole number. So since now walang whole number dito, so you can find the whole number to multiply na mas malapit siya sa 9 or maliit siya sa 9. Okay, so I think that is 2 because 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so now after that you need to add the numerator. So we have here 4 times 2 is 8, then plus to become 9 plus 1 here. Okay, get? Okay. So that's it children. So this time, so improper fraction 9/4 to become mixed number 2 and 1/4.
Children, another example, 5 halves and 10/6. So first, we try that to convert into improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, 5 halves. So you can copy the denominator, then find the number that inner of the numerator number or less than the numerator number. So I think that is 2 because you need to multiply this. 2 times 2 becomes 4, then add 1. So therefore 5 halves become 2 and 1 half. Then after that, number 2, 10/6. So you can copy the denominator, then multiply the whole number. So I think 1, then plus 4. Okay, so therefore 10/6 converts to mixed number become 1 and 4/6.
Okay children, so how about convert mixed number to improper fraction? So follow the same step, CMA step. So copy, multiply, and add. So children, I have here the example or the example of mixed number in proper fraction. So we have here the mixed number 3 and 2/5. How to convert that in proper fraction? So first, you need to copy the denominator, then times it 5 since given na siya. So 5 times 3 become 15. 15 then plus 2 becomes 17. So that's 17. So that's it. So therefore 3 and 2/5 converts to improper fraction. They become 17/5.
Okay children, so another example. So number 1, 2 and 5/9, then number 2, 4 and 3/4. So convert natin in improper fraction. So the first one, number 2 and 5/9, so become copy. Then 9 times 2 become 18 plus 5, so become 23. Then number 2, 4, copy lang yung denominator, then times and add. 4 times 4 becomes 18, and I mean 4 times 4 becomes 16, plus 3 becomes 19. So that's it.
Okay children, can you try this? Convert improper fraction to mixed number or vice versa.
A few moments later.
Okay children, so that is the answer. So who got the correct answer or got a perfect score? So congratulations children. So okay children, so that's it for now. So I know you have learned more something about converting fraction or improper fraction to mixed number or mixed number to improper fraction. So hope you nag-enjoy kayo sa lesson na yun. So I give you more about mathematics. So stay in this channel, Maestro Vlog. So and then I allowed you to invite your friend, family to log in my channel. So children, so ito yan lang muna sa ngayon. So ingat kayo lagi, especially to the parents out there. So that's it. happy all the time. Thank you.